I got to say the first yum yum to this book because I saw it before you saw it. But don't be jealous, you're going to like it. Want to let's get the luxury of receiving an already packaged book ready for the shelf with the colorful and attractive colors like readers. We get our tools and work first. We love the back and forth that brings food to the table, but also gives us the opportunity to engage deeper with the author. And a first-class experience, then do not want to edit again. About in-depth engagement, Susan Omondi, the author of Me, You, We, and Diversity, is representing such authors you feel are literally talking to you through their words. They put some energy in their books that captivates you, and I believe here are her secrets. Art of simplifying what might look complicated into fine points that you grasp like snack, yet they taste. Their tastes stay with you, you crave for more. Magical ways are so profound, and if you wanted to read the book for 47 days, it would lead to a magical transformation. She has mastered emotional intelligence in that she expresses her opinions and learnings without being biased. Diversity can be a complicated, controversial topic. You meet people and you want to blend in, but obstacles stand in the way. How do you talk about this in a smart way to include everyone who might fall a victim without playing the victim? There's so much life and positivity in this book. I personally wish that she would dramatize it or even write more books like this. Know that this is her first book. Her tone, style of delivery, and techniques like dialogues and illustrations are vital ingredients you don't want to miss in a book. The book's impact upon readers' life is the secret that drives sales, and that is something an editor can see and help enhance before book publishing. What I emphasize on while mentoring authors is that they take time to measure their book's impact. This means they study their audience needs and reading behaviors to deliver exactly what they need and how they need it. Now you know you must be jealous because I get to see these books before you find them on the shelf. But I got a win-win resolution for you. Smiling face on your cover and the name of the editor pinned on it. You were happy that the food was cooked well, and you just grab the book and leave it, love it. Smile summarizes everything. I like to know the magical way of engaging with people within and without you, without the fear of the unknown. Here's the magic. Book is a kitchen with all the ingredients. I'm just waiting for you to say yum yum.